Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very easy kheer recipe that I'm sure you're going to love. For those of you that don't know, kheer is a very popular Indian dessert made out of milk, rice, and sugar. The recipe that I'm sharing is so easy, it's literally dump and go, so you don't have to worry about continuously stirring and watching it so it doesn't boil over or get stuck at the bottom. Without further delay, let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, I'm using half cup basmati rice that I have rinsed nicely with water. Next, I will be adding 4 cups of whole milk or full fat milk. Next, I'm going to add cardamom, plain cashews, unsweetened coconut flakes, raisins, dates, and almonds. Now, if you don't have any ingredients, it's okay to skip that. These are optional, so you can add any other nuts of your choice like pistachios, it works great, or walnuts too. Now, I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook on high. I am checking on it after an hour. It's been 2 hours already, so I'm going to open and check on it. Growing up, I used to watch my mother spend hours in the kitchen making kheer on special occasions. She would have to continuously stir it so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom or get burned and boil over. But now I'm using slow cooker. It's making my life so much easier. I don't have to continuously stir or watch it boil over. I can literally dump everything into the slow cooker and go on with my day or do other cooking. It's getting thick now. And we have to keep in mind that it will thicken more as it cools down. So I'm going to add 1 cup more milk. So now I'm going to mix it. So we added 4 cups of milk earlier and I just added another cup now. And when you're adding more milk later on, just make sure you heat up the milk a little bit so it's not cold. It's nice, and at this point I'm going to go ahead and add condensed milk. Now I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can add more or less depending on your preference. So I'm adding sweetened condensed milk, so I don't have to add any more sugar. This should be enough. So you can add more or less depending on your preference. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. You can add less or more. And then I'm going to mix it well. So it's mixed really well, and now I'll put the lid on and let it cook for another hour or so. It's been an hour now, and I'm going to remove the lid and check on my kheer. Oh, looks good. I'm going to mix it. You can see it's so thick. So now we're going to switch off the slow cooker. I'm going to give it a nice mix. So nice and creamy. You can see here the kheer is so thick. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom to enhance the flavor. You can see it's really nice and very thick. If you want, you can add more milk, but I like it this way, so I will leave it at like this. But feel free to add half cup more milk if you want. I'm going to garnish it with some nuts. Here I have cashews and almonds. So that's it. Delicious kheer is ready. It's so delicious, so thick and creamy. I mean, and this is a foolproof recipe. You can never go wrong with it. You just have to adjust the consistency according to your preference. And that's it. And also the sugar, if you are watching your sugar intake, you can obviously skip the condensed milk and add monk fruit or stevia or whatever you prefer. But I added condensed milk because it makes everything so delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. Do let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.